Pause for a moment and take a breath. When life feels overwhelming, do you disappear into yourself? Do you put on a smile? Say you're fine. Take care of everything. All while inside you're crumbling quietly. If you whispered yes, I need you to hear me. Your self-reliance is not a flaw. It is a shield. A shield you crafted in the fires of loneliness, fear, and survival. Today, I'm going to show you where that shield came from, why you no longer need to carry it the same way, and how to finally let yourself be held by others and by yourself. Let's talk about the hidden roots of being hyper self-reliant. This is not strength. It is strength wrapped in fear. It often glows from wounds like this. Being forced to self-parent emotionally. Trusting no one because those who should have protected you caused harm. Being punished for asking for help or shamed for needing too much. Learning that vulnerability equals danger, not safety. And your brilliant, beautiful nervous system said, to survive, I must do it all myself. And so you did. You carried burdens no child should have carried. You armored your heart in silence. You turned being self-sufficient into an identity. Not because you're broken, because you're brilliant. But survival armor is not meant to be permanent clothing. It is meant to be set down when safety is possible. Whisper with me. I honor the armor that kept me safe. I honor the soul ready to be free. Let's take a look at the nervous system of a lone wolf. When you live in hyper-independence, your nervous system stays stuck between two states. Being on high alert, prepared for betrayal, and shut down, numbing out connection completely. We call this the lone wolf loop, and it goes like this: protect, perform, collapse, withdraw, repeat. You overfunction, you give endlessly, you isolate when you're overwhelmed, you judge yourself for needing others, you resent people for not seeing how much you're carrying, and round it goes. But here is the truth. True strength is not doing it all alone. True strength is letting yourself be seen and still choosing to stay open. You don't need to rip down your walls overnight. You just need to find one small doorway and walk through. I invite you to breathe in. It's safe to need support. Breathe out. It's strong to receive love. Breathe in. It's safe to need support. Breathe out. It's strong to receive love. Breathe in. It's safe to need support. Breathe out. It's strong to receive love. In my practice, I use the allow method to help my clients rebuild a new relationship with connection. It goes like this: acknowledge, lean into little, locate safe people, open body, witness transformation. Let's take it step by step. A. Acknowledge. Recognize when hyper self-reliance protects you and costs you. L. Lean into little. Start with tiny risks: texting a friend, accepting a compliment, saying, "I need a moment." L. Locate safe people. Find people who show consistent safety and learn to trust slowly. O. Open body. Through breath, touch, and grounding, teach your nervous system that receiving is safe. W. Witness transformation. Notice when your body softens. That's healing happening in real time. Acknowledge. Lean into little. Locate safe people. Open body. Witness transformation. This method is not about losing your independence. It is about regaining your wholeness. You are not meant to survive. You are meant to live and love fully. So I invite you to say with me, I allow love. I allow support. I allow myself to be seen. And I invite you now to close your eyes softly. Place one hand over your heart and one over your solar plexus, your center of personal power. Inhale deeply. It is safe to receive. Hold. Exhale slowly. I no longer have to carry it all. Inhale deeply. It is safe to receive and hold. Exhale. I no longer have to carry it all. Inhale. It is safe to receive. Hold. Exhale. I no longer have to carry it all. Feel your heart beating. Feel the warmth under your hand. And imagine 1,000 hands behind you. Your ancestors, guides, unseen love, all saying, you were never meant to do it alone. Feel their presence, receive it. This is what real strength feels like. Soft, grounded, alive. Imagine this, waking up knowing you are held. Walking through life not with armor, but with open, strong-hearted grace. Trusting your voice, trusting your body, trusting others with discernment, not fear. That life is not fantasy. It is your birthright. It is your next chapter, and it starts when you put the weight down and allow yourself to be lifted. Until we meet again, may you be at peace, may you be loved, may you be loved, and may your journey be filled with light and joy. Take care and be well.